Hello friends. Welcome to Speak English with Shree. Today you will learn English through a long and simple story. This story is specially made for beginners. Please listen carefully. You can pause the video and repeat the sentences. Let us begin.
Learn English through story. Day 1. The journey of a simple boy. There was a boy named Ramesh. Ramesh lived in a small village in India. His village was quiet and beautiful. There were many trees and small houses. Life in the village was simple. Ramesh was a very simple boy. His father was a farmer. His mother worked at home. They did not have much money, but they had a lot of love. Ramesh went to a government school. The school was very small. There were few teachers. English was taught only once a week. Ramesh did not understand English well. Many students in his class were afraid of English. They thought English was very difficult. They laughed when someone tried to speak English. Because of this, Ramesh also felt shy. He never spoke English in class. One day, a teacher asked a question in English. Ramesh knew the answer, but he did not raise his hand. He was scared of making mistakes. The teacher noticed him. After class, the teacher called Ramesh. The teacher said, "Why don't you speak English?" Ramesh replied softly, "Sir, I am afraid. I may speak wrong." The teacher smiled kindly. He said, "Mistakes are part of learning. No one speaks perfect English from day one. You should try. Confidence is more important than grammar." These words touched Ramesh's heart. From that day, Ramesh decided to learn English. He promised himself that he would not give up. He knew the journey would be long, but he was ready. Ramesh did not have English books at home. He did not have a computer, but he had a small mobile phone. The phone was old, but it worked. Every morning, Ramesh woke up early. He finished his farm work. Then he sat quietly near a tree. He opened English videos on his phone. He listened carefully. At first, he did not understand much. The words sounded strange. The sentences were confusing. But Ramesh did not stop. He listened again and again. He started writing new words in a notebook. He learned one new word every day. He spoke those words loudly. Sometimes people laughed at him, but he ignored them. In the evening, Ramesh practiced speaking alone. He spoke to himself. He talked about his day in English. "My name is Ramesh. Today I worked on the farm." Slowly, his confidence increased. He started understanding small sentences. He felt happy when he understood a video. This gave him more motivation. He felt proud of himself. One day, a relative visited their house. The relative lived in the city. He spoke English very well. Ramesh listened carefully to him. He wanted to speak like him. The relative asked Ramesh, "What do you want to become?" Ramesh replied, "I want a good job. I want to support my parents. And I want to speak English confidently." The relative was impressed. He said, "If you work hard, you will succeed. English is a skill. Anyone can learn it." These words gave Ramesh hope. After school, Ramesh continued his practice. He watched English stories. He listened to simple conversations. He repeated every sentence slowly. Practice became his daily habit. Sometimes Ramesh felt tired. Sometimes he felt lazy. Sometimes he wanted to quit. But then he remembered his dream. He remembered his parents. Months passed. Ramesh's English improved a lot. He could speak simple sentences. He could understand basic conversations. His teacher noticed the change. One day, the school organized a small program. Students had to speak on stage. The topic was, "My Dream." Ramesh wanted to participate. But he was nervous. His teacher encouraged him. "You can do it," the teacher said. Ramesh practiced day and night. He wrote his speech in simple English. He practiced in front of a mirror. The day of the program arrived. Ramesh went on the stage. His hands were shaking. His heart was beating fast. But he started speaking. "Good morning, everyone," he said. "My name is Ramesh. I am from a small village. My dream is to learn English. My dream is to get a good job." The audience listened silently. Ramesh spoke slowly. He made small mistakes. But he did not stop. He completed his speech. Everyone clapped for him. Ramesh felt very happy. Tears came to his eyes. That day changed his life. He believed in himself. After finishing school, Ramesh went to the city. He searched for a job. Many offices rejected him. Some people judged him. But he did not lose hope. One day, he got an interview. The interviewer asked questions in English. Ramesh answered calmly. He used simple words. He spoke with confidence. The interviewer smiled. He said, "Your English is simple. But your confidence is strong. You are selected." Ramesh could not believe it. He got the job. He called his parents. They were very happy. They felt proud of their son. Ramesh's hard work paid off. Ramesh continued learning English. He knew learning never stops. He helped other people learn English. He shared his story. He inspired many students. Ramesh understood one important lesson. English is not about perfection. English is about communication. Daily practice changes everything. Consistency creates success. If you practice English every day, you can speak English confidently. Never be afraid of mistakes. Your journey starts today.